Hey Plant Panthers, my name is Mr. Maurin. I teach world history and philosophy. I want to tell you a little bit about each of those courses and what you need. Looking forward to meeting you all soon, but it looks like we're doing e-learning for a little bit longer. Firstly, my name, I know it looks like Maurin, but it's pronounced Moran. I also help with the girls cross country program, so you might see me around out there on Bayshore Boulevard with them, or certainly when we get back to campus. About the World History Honors class, so this is a required 1-year-long course. It covers a lot of ground. We start from ancient civilizations and go to the present. And we're not just getting at all the who's and the what's, and there are a lot of them, but also the how's and the why of history. And so we're constantly making connections between the ancient past and the contemporary present and examining how events are related to one another. With the philosophy class, philosophy is a 1-semester elective, so it's usually for upperclassmen. However, sometimes there are some sophomores in the class. The philosophy is essentially thinking about thinking, so it's more abstract than just the history class. We do go from the ancient to the present times regarding philosophy, but we're focused more on these deep questions, or what I like to call the big questions about life. Questions of reality, questions of truth, questions of meaning. How do we know what we know, for instance? And so that's what philosophy is all about, asking questions about those kinds of things. As far as what you need for the class, world history, you need a 1-inch binder with paper. And then in the philosophy class, a folder would be sufficient. However, if you want to use a binder, you can. But you won't have as much in the philosophy class to keep together as in the world history class. So anyway, looking forward to meeting everyone as soon as we can in person. But in the meantime, consider our mascot as an example. So as far as how to succeed, be an active learner. We're all having to learn new ways of learning, ask questions, and again, looking to the Panther through all these challenges, be patient and persevere. We made it through the spring, and we'll certainly make it through this fall. Looking forward to seeing you all soon in person, and let me know if you have any questions that I can help you with. All right, be safe out there. Hope to see you soon. Bye.